Galit na galit ang demonyo kapag maingay yung faith natin. Tuwang-tuwa naman si Satan kapag ang Kristiyano tumatahimik. Tinamig ka tabi mo. Sabihin mo, sa ngayon, tumahimik ka. Pero pag-uwi natin, straight to your rock. Woo! Hallelujah! Honor God by following His complete instruction. In my conclusion, when we learn to honor God, He will honor us. Kapag alam natin kung paano i-honor ang Diyos, no-honor din po tayo ng Diyos. I-honor tayo ng Diyos. Kapag ang Diyos ang nag-honor sa atin, ang tawag doon, increase and promotion. Hello? Increase and promotion kapag in-honor tayo ng Diyos. Last verse, 1 Samuel chapter 2, verse 30. 1 Samuel chapter 2, verse 30. I will end in this verse. We will close in prayer. Sabi diyan, verse 30, therefore the Lord, the God of Israel, declares, I promise that your house and your father's house would minister before me forever. But now the Lord declares, far be it from me. Those who honor me, I will honor. Those who honor me,